So what we're going to do is we're going to put a Y on this downspout discharge line. This is from the downspouts and it's going all the way back to the pond, and we're going to put our sump pump connected to here. Pretty simple thing to do. We need to just get a couple of measurements. We want to cut inside the couplings. So let's go ahead and get that first cut. A little bit of mud in there. Then we're going to make our next measurement. And we'll cut that. Then we're just going to fit this Y on here, snap it on one side, and corrugated pipe's pretty cool. In fact, let's do it the other way. Let's snap it on this side because we've got more play on this line over here, and it just snaps together. So that's done. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.